Welcome back, traders. In today's outlook, we'll be diving into GBP JPY as we've hit TP on the trade we called yesterday. So yesterday we saw price take liquidity on yesterday's market outlook. We spoke about price taking this liquidity and expecting a change of character for price to continue with the longs. So or to see price continue dropping, and we saw price changing character and we scaled into this trade as we joined the buy. As we joined the buyers in the buy position. So here we had our factor shift in structure. From there we continued with the after we had our factor break, we had our factor shift, and from there we joined the trend and continue with the long. If we should go to the 15 minutes, we'll see how price was looking beautiful. So here in the 15 minutes we saw our change of character with details. This was our break of structure and this was our change of character, of which price used in identifying us that price is ready to push to the upside. And from there we hopped into this buy from after our change of character occurred. Then we joined the buy side. We hopped into the buy, and from there we hit TP. From then we hit TP to earlier this morning. So guys, this was a very nice trade. You guys could have taken when you watched yesterday's market outlook, and if you keep in touch. So that was a very nice trade, and today I'll be looking out to see price maybe retrace a little bit, because obviously we are still in an uptrend and I'm expecting price to either to take out this high here. This is our nearest high, because this is the market structure we are seeing here. This is the high, this is the latest high, and this is the low. This is the low of that high. This is the fractal low and this is the fractal high. So I want to see price take out this fractal high so that we can form another fractal high and another fractal low. So that's what I'm looking at for, guys, on this pair. So we can still look for another buying opportunity, maybe in the 4 hours or the 1 hour. If we should get a retracement from here, then we'll look for a change of character to continue longing. If we should get a retracement like this, then a change of character, and then from there we'll continue longing the pair till we take out this high. So that's what I'll be looking out for on GBP JPY. Very nice price action, very nice market outlook on, and simple market outlook on GBP JPY. The next pair should be Euro USD. Here on Euro USD, also looking out for some for sell continuation. So I would like either to see price continue with the sell like this, or maybe we'll get price retrace back up. We'll get price retrace back up to this zone. Then, because this kind of looks like a change of character, but it's a liquidity sweep to me. I call it a liquidity sweep because it's a little bump in the road as price continue moving down. Though we had this liquidity here that looks like price took, and this another demand zone, but I still like to call it a liquidity sweep because we are obviously in swing structure and fractal structure. We are still in a downtrend. So until we get price to break this high, then I will look for long to this zone. But if price doesn't give us a second break of structure, then we know that price is still going to keep pushing down lower. So we might see price take out this high, take out this liquidities, then tap into this zone, then give us a change of character to continue selling. Or we might just see price continue pushing down lower till it takes out this low. But if price takes out this low, you can scale into some shots from any retracement you get, maybe a pullback. Then you look for a change of character from any of the zone, maybe from this, look for a change of character from this supply zone here, and from there you short the pair. So that's that for Euro USD. DXY, on DXY, similar price action as I see price continue pushing up. And yes, DXY is actually the vice versa of Euro USD. So I want to see price either push up. I want to see price either push up and maybe give us a retracement before continuing with the upside. Let me go to the 1 hour so that you can see my perspective on this pair. We had something like this liquidity sweep also, and presently we have this looking like relatively hollow. So I would like to see price either take these liquidities them out, start taking them out, tap into this demand zone, give us a factor shift, and then we can continue with the long. Or we might just see price continue, take this out, retrace, give us a factor shift, then we can continue with the longs also. So that's that for DXY. Next pair should be GU. GU also looking nice for some shots. GU, we've seen price kind of continue. We've seen price continue pushing down yesterday. We saw price continue pushing down yesterday. Then today, yesterday actually, during the New York session, we saw price pushing back up to this supply zone here. From there, price started rejecting. Though we would not have liquidity sweep for price to continue rejecting. So we might see price take this out one more time, and then before the main sell off will occur. But if not, we might just see price change, break this structure, then continue selling off from there. So, but still, I'm still looking for shorts on GU. So I'm still looking for shorts on GU. Then the next pair is the next pair should be AUD. AUD something similar. AUD, I'm still looking for a price to take out liquidity because we don't have any liquidity presently. So I'm waiting to see price maybe take out this liquidity from this zone, maybe take out this high, then give us a factor shift on this supply zone, then we'll sell off, which is also our support and resistance zone. Then from there we'll sell off. But more, and I will also like price to actually take all this liquidity out, because all this liquidity here, all this from here to, from this to this, I would like to see price take it out, because this is still like a this is actually liquidity piling up here. So it will also be nice to see price take it out. But if we don't get that, if we get a change of character from this zone here, if we get a change of character from this immediate zone, then we'll continue selling the pair maybe to this low, if price will eventually get to this low, because obviously we've seen support and resistance keep holding. Even the 50% of the support and resistance zone hold strong since yesterday. So we might see price respect this one and drop down, or we might see price break it because it has tested it 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth time. So it will be nice to see price break it, and then from there we get price to take the low. So that's that for AUD. Then the next pair should be New Zealand. New Zealand dollar. I would also like to see one more liquidity sweep here, as we had our factor shift here. I would like to liquidity sweep. So I would like to see price take out this liquidity, this little bump in the road here. Then from there we'll have our change of character or factor shift in the 1 hour, and then price will continue to sell off till we take this low. Very simple price action. We might even still see price take this high one more time, give us a factor shift, and from there we'll continue to short. So nevertheless, I'm still looking for shorts on New Zealand USD. That's NZD USD. So I'm still looking for shorts on NZD USD. The next pair should be CHF. CHF continue pushing up. Still looking to see price maybe take out this high. Then maybe from here we start seeing shorts, or we might maybe from here we start seeing shorts after taking out this little bump in the road. So from here we can start seeing we see our change of character, and price will continue selling off. Or if not, we might just see price. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting. Before price continue, I'm still expecting price to keep pushing further to the high, then till we take out this zone. Then maybe price might return, use this as liquidity, then use this as our demand zone, use this as liquidity or fuel to push further to the upside and tap into this demand zone. Then from there we see price continue the upside for US dollar CHF. So, that's that for USD CHF. So next pair is USD card. USD card, I see price kind of drop lower. I was expecting after we got this factor shift, I was expecting price to continue pushing up. We had this liquidity here being taken. I was expecting price to keep pushing up, but obviously price didn't, because this demand zone here didn't take any liquidity before it push up. So probably this demand zone will be our next liquidity. This will be our next liquidity for price to continue pushing up, or we might just see price taking out this 3 bump in the road. Because if you go to the daily time frame, I spoke about this few days ago, and I said I was looking to see price take out this 1, 2, and 3, take them out. Then from there we'll see price give us change of character, and then we'll continue with the buy. So that's what I was looking at for US dollar card. If either we see price take out this 3 bump in the road, or we see price actually take this single one out, then from here we have our change of character and for price to continue going on. That's that for US dollar card. Then for US dollar JPY, I'm also waiting to see price maybe I'm still waiting to see price take this high. Yeah, this is the high we are still targeting for US dollar JPY, as US dollar JPY played out similar with GBP JPY. So we had our change of character and price continued with its movement. So the 1 hour, you can see very clearly that it was very nice market. After we had the liquidity sweep, break of structure, change of character, price continue pushing up. From there we push higher, and I'm still expecting more longs on this pair. So the last pair should be gold. Last pair should be gold. SAUSD. SAUSD, I'm still looking for SAUSD. I'm still looking to see more longs, but price has been funny lately. We had our change of character yesterday, and I was expecting price to respect this zone and continue pushing up, but we see price keep uh, dropping. This was where I took the trade yesterday when price got here. I was expecting price to hold, but obviously price still keep dropping to the downside. We are not yet stopped out, but it's a very sketchy price action. So I just want to see price first break out this what do we call it? I just want to see price give us a break of structure first. Last we get a break of structure here, then from here we get a break of structure, so we can be sure that price is really ready to continue with the long. Then from there we see our change of character, and then we'll definitely go for some long till price takes out this high here, because obviously gold is trending up, or gold is bullish, so we want to continue supporting the bulls. We want to join the bulls and continue with the trend. So that's that for gold, guys, and that's that for today, guys. If you find this update helpful, or find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out another market updates or market outlook. Thanks, guys. Peace out.